Did you know when a pineapple is picked, it no longer ripens? So whatever you see at the grocery store or you have sitting on your kitchen counter is not going to ripen anymore. If anything, it might start to rot. So Anne asked how to cut a pineapple, but I figured I'd show you how to pick a perfect pineapple first before you go through all that trouble. So what you want to look for is a pineapple with a lot of yellow on it. Second, you want to take a little sniff at the bottom. If it smells like pineapple juice, it's good. If it smells like vinegar, it's actually starting to rot. And lastly, give the skin a little bit of a squeeze. If it has a little bit of a give, that means it's ripe. If it's really hard, it's not ripe. And if it's got soft spots, it's actually starting to rot. Now that you've picked the perfect pineapple, grab yourself a cutting board, a really sharp knife, a container to put in the scraps that we cut off, and a bowl to put in the pieces that we're going to cut up to eat. Now comes the fun part. Lay your pineapple on a cutting board, cut off the bottom, and then cut off the top. Stand up the pineapple and cut the skin off of the outside. And you'll notice those little brown pieces or eyes. When you're all done, go back and sort of clean up whatever extra ones you have. Stand up the piece of pineapple again, cut it in half, turn it, and cut it in half one more time. So now you'll have 4 equal quarters. That inner corner of each of those pieces is part of the core, so we want to cut that off. I find it's easiest to stand it up and just trim that inner piece right off. Once that's done, you can cut your pieces into whatever size you would like, store in a container in the fridge, and enjoy.